A 14-year-old Palestinian boy was shot by Israeli soldiers as he left his home in the West Bank. He then bled to death, without help, for around 45 minutes as troops stood nearby. This incident is part of an inquiry led by a United Nations commission. The investigation states there was no active fighting in the area at the time, and that Israeli forces prevented the boy's mother from reaching him by opening fire as she tried to come to his aid. Soldiers then withheld his body from the family.
He was shot by an Israeli military patrol as he was leaving his house. The patrol had been in the area, but at the time there had been no fighting taking place. He was shot, badly injured, and was lying on the ground. He was surrounded by a company of Israeli soldiers who were chatting and probably some of them smoking over a period of 45 minutes while this 14-year-old boy bled to death.
The case is detailed in a new report by the UN Independent International Commission of Inquiry on the occupied Palestinian territory, including East Jerusalem and Israel. It examined alleged violations against Palestinian children since the start of the war between Israel and Hamas in October 2023. According to the commission, Israeli soldiers later placed a stone near the boy's body in an apparent attempt to portray him as having thrown rocks at the patrol. The report concludes that Israeli authorities violated international legal protections for Palestinian children and says those responsible should be held accountable. The Commission's findings state that the deliberate targeting of Palestinian children amounts to crimes of genocide in Gaza and war crimes in the West Bank. Israel has repeatedly rejected accusations of genocide and serious violations of international law made by UN bodies and other international organizations.